actually want to show you how that hydrophone works really quick. Moonfish, gentlemen, go someone out here for me really quick, please. Show everyone what you've been working on. Excellent. Now go and remind everyone to put away their food, to seal away their drinks. Please refrain from smoking and vaping, but take lots of pictures and video. Just turn off the light and the flash. With the flash! Give it up for the moonfish, everybody! Good job, boys. Well, that's enough out of me. You ready to talk to Crush? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna count to 3, and then we're all gonna yell, "Hey, Crush." You ready? 1, 2, 3! Hey, Crush!
Woo-hoo! Righteous! 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 Yeah! Oh, dude! Oh, scope out the double spinning intro by the turtle. John. Whoa, check it out. Hey, we've got some humans out the human tank. Hello, human dudes.
Hi, Crush!
Oh, hey, dude. Hey, is that Sam right over there?
Ja, dude.
Oh, man, hey, I totally want to make contact. Hey, there's this dude right over here halfway up the aisle, man. He's wearing a gray short sleevey shell. I totally want to talk to him.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, what's your name, little dude?
Julia.
Oh, nice to meet you. Hey, Julian, I'm going to give you a turtle name, okay? I'm going to call you Honolulu Julian. Hey, now that you got a turtle name, do you know how to talk like a turtle? Oh, no worries, dude. I'll teach you how, okay? Can you say totally? Yeah, that's good. Okay, now say sweet. Dude, it's like I'm talking to a turtle. Okay, now put both of those words together and say totally sweet.
Mommy, so sweet.
Yeah, you did it! Rock on it, Julian, dude! Dude, you're totally talking like a turtle! Bro, you're like, bilingual. Hey, Julian, dude, like, where do you come from? Like, where do you live? Oh, cool, dude. Hey, who'd you come here with? Who brought you here on this fine day? Is that your mommy there right there feeding you the answers?
Maybe the grandparents.
Okay, let's go talk to her. Hi, what's your name?
Marisol,
Oh, are you the grandma?
her mom.
Oh, so I was right all along.
Yes.
Cool. Hey, mommy, dude, like, how many little ones do you have in total, dude?
2.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I got like 65 little ones at home. Yeah, you should try that. Yeah, nervous laughter is like the usual response. Hey, humans, check it out. I am totally a sea turtle on a mission right now. My little dude Squirt, he's totally fascinated with all of you humans. So I'm totally here to soak up some knowledge and take it back to my offspring. Do you dudes think you can help me out? If that sounds like fun, say cha. Oh, you so totally rock! Oh, dude, I got a turtle talker out there flying solo. Okay, for those of you that I do not know, whenever like a sea turtle says, "You so totally rock," you respond, "Dude, really loud. So, you so totally rock." Most excellent. Okay, on to Squirt's question numero uno. Squirt wants to know if any of you humans out there like to swim like us turtles. Who likes to swim? Raise your fin if you know how to swim. Oh, dude, we're gonna go right over here on this side, man. There's this dude at, like, totally, like, first row, first noggin. She looks like a primo swimmer.
Yeah, totally.
Hi, what's your name, dude?
Maggie.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mondo, Maggie. Hey, you should have seen your face when I picked you. Dude, you were all like, hey, Maggie, dude, are you like freaking out right now?
A little bit.
Oh, yeah, don't be afraid, okay? I come in peace, dude. Hey, Maggie, dude, where do you come from? Like, where do you live?
I live right here.
Oh, like in the people tank?
Exactly.
Oh, man, that's crazy. When did that happen? You'd think I would have noticed, man.
You were probably busy with your kids.
Yeah, good point now. Hey, Maggie, dude, what are some of the things you like to do for fun?
I like to eat Disney snacks.
Oh, that sounds like an expensive habit. Oh, like, do you ever go like swimming or surfing or anything?
I do.
Oh, okay, when you go swimming, do you like to go like fast or do you take it like nice and easy?
Nice and easy.
Oh, yeah, dude, just kind of, foot on the shell, kind of close the eyes, just be like, dude, I'm Maggie. I live in the people tank. I like to enjoy expensive snacks. Are you kind of like that, dude?
Exactly like that.
That's awesome. Yeah, but dude, when you live down here in the big old blue like me, sometimes you totally gotta rip it, roll it, and punch it, dude. Hey, humans, you dudes want to see how fast the Crush Man can swim? Say chaw. Oh, you so totally rock! Alright, dudes, I'm totally getting my motor ready. I want you dudes to check this out. I'm gonna break a turtle speed record! Alright, here I come! Right chest! Right! Oh! Oh, wipe out! Oh,
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
oh yeah, thanks, Hank. Hey, where'd he go? You dude saw that, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that is totally messing with my noggin, man. Hey, humans, I'm totally doing like all the talking. Hey, did any of you humans have any questions for me? Totally raise your fins. I like talking to everybody, even you adults too. Totally do not be shy, bro.
Hey, Crush,
Huh?
that kid up front has a question.
Oh yeah, let's go right over here on this side, man. Halfway up the aisle, dude, that wearing the pink shell. Let's talk to her.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Hi, what's your name, dude?
Aria,
Oh, dude, aloha, Aria. What's your question, dude?
what is your show made of?
Oh, it's made out of this stuff that you humans call bone and keratin. Yeah, you human dudes got some of that keratin stuff on your bodies too, Arya. If you look at the very end of your flippers, you got those thingies called fingernails? Yeah, those fingernails are made out of a keratin stuff, kind of like my shell. So it's actually kind of like you got little mini turtle shells growing on the end of your flipper, dude. But don't let your fingernails get to be the same color as my shell, okay, dude? Seriously, that would be gross. Awesome. Hey, Aria, dude, maybe you could help me out with something. I found this thing you like floating around the other day. I don't really know what this is, but hey, what's this thing you right here, dude?
When you go to a game, like a sports game, and you really like that team and you're cheering for them, you put your hand up and then you want them to win.
Okay, so like this?
Yeah.
Okay, do I say anything?
You say, let's go, whatever your team name is.
Let's go! Whatever my team is. Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Excellent! Dude, I've been using this thing to give directions. Like my buddy Pablo the dolphin was lost the other day. He was like, hey, Rush, which way's the EAC? And I was like, oh, dude, it's right over there. That's cool. Hey, thanks for your help, Aria, dude. Who else has got a question for me? Totally raise those vids. Oh, let's stay on that same side. Over in the top middle, little dude wearing the dark short sleevey shell in the backwards lid on.
Yeah, sweet.
Hey, what's your name, man?
Liam,
Oh, dude, so luau Liam. What's your question, bro?
what's your fin made of?
Oh, me? Like scales, cartilage, probably some bones in there. I mean, like, that's pretty crazy, dude. Anatomy, you know? It's pretty cool, dude. Hey, what about you, man? Like, what's made up inside of you, dude?
Mine's like food.
Oh, definitely, man. Yeah, man, maybe try some of those high-priced Disney snacks, man. See if that, like, does anything for you, you know? It was totally cool talking with you, bro. Oh, hey, what's up, Jelly Man?
Oh, hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Oh, dude, you want to get into a turtle pile. Everybody, shout out Turtle Pile!
No, please, I just got away from a turtle pile.
Get out!
Stop! That's too much.
Okay. Hey, serve some on the EAC, dude!
Thanks a lot, Crush.
For what, Jelly Man?
The turtle pile?
Oh, everybody say it again! And good luck being the fishes! Hey, who else has got a question for me? Totally raise those foods. Oh, dude, let's go right down over here, dude. Hey, right next to Julian, man, there's like this dude, she's got like a pinky shell on too.
Yeah, sweet.
Oh, hi, what's your name?
Natalie,
Oh, nice to meet you, Norley Nindley. Oh, what's your question, dude?
what's your favorite color?
Oh, dude, okay, I'm gonna give you a hint, and I'm totally gonna let you guess it, okay? The hint is I am a green sea turtle. What do you think my favorite color is?
Green.
No, it's totally purple.
Hey, kid, he's pulling your fin. It's green.
Ah, yeah, you got it right, dude. It is green. Hey, what about you? Oh, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Oh, dude, I'm wearing my favorite color, and you're totally wearing yours, dude. That's awesome. Oh, man, you can do this. Sam, what was that?
Kind of sounded like feedback on the hydrophone, dude.
Okay, well, let me go check this out.
I'll check it on my end.
Testing, 1, 2.
No, levels look good.
Oh, dude, it's Bailey! The humans! Oh, let's call him out. Everybody go. Ooh.
Crush! Hey!
Hey, what's up, Bailey, dude?
Oh my goodness, funny looking humans, huh?
Huh? Oh, Bailey, dude, they can totally hear you, bro.
No, they can't. Watch this. Hi, humans!
Hi, baby.
See?
Oh, okay. Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, I was, but then you were.
Wait. Ooh, I'm getting something.
What is it, dude?
Wow. Some of you are carrying your own food. How long are you planning to be here?
You got those Disney snacks?
Later, Crush.
Later, Bailey! Hey, humans! Bailey was working on his echolocation. Oh. Hey, screw you!
Dad, come on! Time to ride the EAC, dude!
Girl, away, my son! Oh, hey, humans, familiar calls. Hey, I totally got it, Jeff. But before I go, let me leave you all with this. Humans, fish are friends, not food. All right, I'll catch you dudes later. Remember, you so totally rock!
Dude! Give it up for the Crush Man, everybody. Thanks, Crush. Thank you for joining us today, folks. Make sure you have all your